Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boars with the Mike Boars channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're going to show you how to get rust stains off silverware. Let's get started. DIYers, here we are at the table, and on the left-hand side, you can see a knife. On the right-hand side, you see a square foam-looking thing, and that is the magic eraser. And down below in the comment section, as well as the description section, will be a link on where to purchase this magic eraser. However, again, in this project, we are going to use that to remove rust stains from the actual knife. Let me shift that aside, grab the knife, and as you can see, little rust stains all the way up, and we want to get rid of all that, even on the back side right there. So we'll set that down. I've got a little shot glass of water. It is recommended to dab the magic eraser in water so it can do what it is designed to do. I'll set that aside, and as you can see, there is the wet corner, and I'm going to apply some friendly pressure, and I'll attack that one first. It's going to take a few minutes, but just be patient. Again, apply that friendly pressure. And for the most part, it came off, as you see. And I'm going to continue to do maybe the backside down here, as well as all the remaining little rust stains. And again, just be patient as you do this. It does require some friendly pressure. Use that magic eraser to clean up that water, and again, use it to my advantage. And after about maybe 1 to 2 minutes, go ahead and rotate the magic eraser to a dry portion, and same thing, apply some friendly pressure, and it's going to make some weird noises, but that's normal. Not perfect, but it is getting better. We were able to remove the stain on the backside, as you see here. And there's another one, I'll get that here shortly. But again, big difference. I'll get this part down here that may need maybe a minute more of the magic eraser applied to it. And in addition, you can use that same magic eraser to clean off rust stains or smudges on this portion of the knife. Again, start with the wet portion. And after a minute or two, transition to the dry portion. DIYers, that is it. Hopefully this helps. Also, scrolling above right now is a link to a video that shows us using magic eraser to remove dark colored or rust stain colored spots on our dishes, and we clean up a coffee cup as well as a plate. Definitely check that out. Again, scrolling above just a moment ago. From here, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And DIYers, hey, if you're still watching, sneak peek at the winter project ahead. We've got the jet ski pulled into the workstation, and we're going to be doing some fun maintenance to that. Also, down below in the comment section, as well as the description section, will be links on how to mount skateboards on the wall. We even built these skateboards, which was awesome. And check out those wheels. Pretty cool. Again, down below in the comment section, as well as the description section. We've been busy. Rebuilt an Alpha 1 Gen 1 Mercruiser outdrive. Always busy here at the Craftsman workstation. A lot going on.